Good morning, everybody. My name is Romain Schembolt. I'm the VP of Subsea Services and Offshore for the Hughes business. Very happy to have you today in Brittmoore. This site is a center of excellence. It's a big presence for us in the Gulf of Mexico. We're effectively here to serve our customers. One thing that we're trying to get to maximize recovery is collaboration. We are collaborating across a broad spectrum of areas. What you see around you is lots of very strong technology. We have a lightwell intervention stack, we have wellheads, we do repairs, we have Christmas trees, but if you think about digitization, that's also what's coming up as well.